Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today I'm going to share with you how to repot Echeveria Lola Succulent in this beautiful ceramic planter. You might be wondering why this is such a popular succulent to a lot of succulent growers. So stay with me as I repot while sharing with you a short story about this lovely succulent. This kind of succulent has a unique round shape that resembles a flower and stands out among other kinds of succulents. Lola's primary colors are soft pink in the middle, light green around the outside, and with beautiful pointed leaves on the end. Take a look at this one. Do you know why this is more vibrant than the rest? Simply because this one is more exposed to sunlight. The sunlight helps a lot in maintaining their vibrant colors and compact rosette form. The more they're exposed to sunlight, the deeper the color becomes. No wonder why Lolas became popular not just to succulent growers, but famous for weddings, which are used in so many ways, as a cake decoration, centerpiece, corsage, and most of all as a bridal bouquet.